Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and configure your app, Connecteam Actions Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page, then head down to the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its features, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this app is in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to obtain your credentials to complete your app setup. We have the setup. Let's walk you through on how to connect this app. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account which we've created online. You click on your profile, click on Settings, then you click on API and Integration. Head over to Integration, then click on the API keys and you'll be able to add an API key. You give a name and you can choose an expiring date. Here is optional. So let's just take anything and then you click on Create a Key. And here is your key. Copy the key, switch back to your account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you will be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, then click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.